organized these R&D days for around 70 people, which last for more than a week. Was it the first time for you to organize such an event?
No, it's not. Like, I think I did already a few months ago, same occasion. And in my previous job, I actually did also this kind of event for more than 70 people, so it's not my first time.
But this time, was it complicated, you would say?
It's always not easy because you always have many things to take into account. The most complicated part is to actually have a good idea of the needs of the people you are welcoming, what they want to learn, what they want to discuss, and at the same time try to have, let's say, the good combination of level of information, not too dense, but enough. So you have to find the right balance between what you want to give as information and how you do it.
What, in your opinion, were the main goals of such an event?
You have several ones. The first, obvious, is to get to know each other, because you have new people in the company. We are hiring permanently, so each new R&D, let's say, open days, you have new faces. Have a good link is essential for good communication, and so it's important to have this freedom of communication in a company. So that's the first aim. The second one is, of course, to teach people where we are standing right now in our technology. This is more challenging because, as I said before, you need the right level of information for everyone, and not everyone has the same level of knowledge. So that's another aim. And the third one, I would say, it's the way around. It's the opportunity for R&D people to actually receive feedbacks on our work and to know how to adapt better to the market, to the customer. So it's a two-way discussion. We provide what we are doing, they provide feedback they receive, and out of that we try to build something more efficient.
It's almost over, these R&D days.
Yes.
How did it go and were these goals achieved?
I think it went well, in full honesty. I think the people were really willing and waiting for those days, because after coronavirus, they didn't have the opportunity to meet often. And they are really happy to meet again. And it's done in nice condition. You see the weather, you see France, how beautiful is it. So the context is just perfect. And the content is also very interesting, because we did so much interesting work for the battery market that it's easy to share what you have been doing if you are proud of what you have been doing. So all the key ingredients were here for those R&D days to meet the success. And I think it's a success for everything I mentioned before.
Okay, thank you for your answers.
No problem.
And waiting for the next R&D days.
With pleasure. Winter this time.
Okay, next time we'll make it.
Snow.